So the takeaway that I got from this video was that we do not need to start programming right away, even though we would want to. We just need to get an idea, a problem first that is strong and valuable. So although we may want to program right away, we don't necessarily have to. And although this may seem like, and although we may think that documenting is not valuable, the main point of this class is to really understand that we need to think things through so that we don't have as many problems when we actually start to code our app. So the main thing was that our app needs to be impactful and sustainable, investable, and scalable. So impactful, we all kind of knew that because it's what we want to make an impact. But what we need to focus on is also making it useful since we're trying to make it impactful, something that's useful would really be key. And sustainable is that we want the solution that we come up with now not to just be for now, but for later as well. And we need the idea in the app or web page to be investable and scalable. So those are the two main parts that we need to make an app, and it's something super important, but it's also something that we really don't focus on because we get carried away on how it's going to be impactful and how great our idea is, that we don't focus on how we're going to market the app and who our investors will be. So we also need to focus on the numbers, so facts, to show our investors so that they will be able to help us finance this idea that we have. So something that I thought of that was frustrating was not being able to know what food places are crowded when you're really trying to go somewhere or you're running late, because college students or people that are always running, they don't always have the best time management, and so but we do have to eat, and some people skip meals because they think it will take too long and they'd rather be studying or heading to class, since trolleys take time too and not everyone has a car. It's just a lot of time management goes into planning where you're going to eat around campus, and it just doesn't have to be around campus. It could be more general, like seeing what food places are near you and seeing how crowded those are. And I just have talked to many students that have this frustration, and I think that an app that is solving a real problem is actually a lot of them, because many social media apps help strengthen friendships and sometimes family when they live far away. But an app that doesn't appear to solve a real problem, that would be game apps, I guess, because it's not really solving real problems. It's kind of causing more than whatever small problem it may solve.